Hi friends, this is Vinay from iOS Interview. Today we will discuss about SwiftUI interview questions part 2. So friends, moving in the video, if you did not subscribe my channel till now, then please subscribe, likes and comments. So friends, creativity is just connecting things. This is quote by Steve Jobs. Questions we will cover on this video are introduction, why Swift UI uses struct for view and not class, difference between state object and observable object, does Swift UI view modifier order affect the results, explain the environment object property in Swift UI, explain geometry reader in Swift UI, how do you identify performance issue in Swift UI app, what is associated type and how does SwiftUI use it, how to debug a SwiftUI view, how can you use UI kit components in SwiftUI, how to use gestures in SwiftUI, asynchronous task and conclusion. So moving on the video, introduction, SwiftUI and innovative and robust user interface toolkit from Apple allows developers to design apps in a declarative way. This revolutionary framework enables the creation of beautiful interactive interface for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS with just one set of tools and APIs. SwiftUI's introduction has marked a paradigm shift in app development, making it more straightforward, efficient, and harmonious. Being native to Swift, Apple's powerful programming language, Swift UI benefits from its safety features, speed, and interactivity. It simplifies the process of building UI across different Apple platforms, ensuring consistency and reducing the time spent on coding. Moreover, SwiftUI Live Preview feature allows developers to see real-time changes as they code, enhancing productivity and debugging efficiency. In this video, we present a comprehensive list of interview questions about SwiftUI. These questions cover fundamental concepts, advanced topics, and practical applications of SwiftUI. Whether you are preparing for your next job interview or simply wish to deepen your understanding of SwiftUI, this guide is designed to help you navigate through the landscape of this transformative framework. Number one, why SwiftUI uses struct for view and not class? Struct are much better than class in performance. We don't need to worry about memory leaks and thread safety. It's important because SwiftUI creates views multiple times and using struct helps us in managing these instances effectively. Number two, difference between state object and observable object. Observable object creates and destroys itself with the view. It is bound to a view's life cycle and the state object persists outside views. This means that when a UI update occurs, only the UI is affected and the state object retains its data. Number three, does Swift UI view modifier order affect the results? Yes, the order of Swift UI view modifiers affect the outcome. Each modifier creates a new modified view based on the previous one. It's like wrapping a view in a layer. The outmost view represents the final result. Text hello with padding 20 followed by frame width 100 will create a padded text within a 100 width frame. Reversing the order will lead to a 100 width view with padding added outside, potentially clipping the text. Explain the environment object property in SwiftUI. So friends, environment object is a way to create shared data across your whole app. It's a type of observable object that gets created once and can be injected into any view that needs it. Environmental environment object is a data source between multiple views. We can pass the environment object in the view hierarchy. So any view in the hierarchy can access the environment object and update that. Also, at every other place in the hierarchy where we have used the environment object, it also gets notified and updates the view. Number 5. Explain Geometry Reader in SwiftUI. So friends, Geometry Reader gives us the size and location of the view, so we can make a subview inside of it. This lets us create layout that change size and location as views move around the screen. Mostly we use Geometry Reader for animations. Number 6. How do you identify performance issue in SwiftUI app? We can use the instrument tools to identify performance slowdowns and optimize the performance of the app. Number 7. What is associated type and how does SwiftUI use it? Associated type is a part of the mechanism for using generics in protocols. SwiftUI View is making heavy use of generics and associated types. SwiftUI uses the associated type in View protocol where the body property returns an associated type of view. Meaning, meaning view can be any type of view like edge stack, Z stack, or list view. Number 8. How to debug a SwiftUI view. We use the underscore print changes method to detect changes in view, and also we can capture the view hierarchy for inspecting the layout or getting some more information about the view. Number 9. How can you use UIKit components in SwiftUI? We use the UI view representable or UI view controller representable protocol to use UIKit components in SwiftUI. We have to create and update our view manually with the help of the representable protocols method. Number 10. How to use gestures in SwiftUI. We can use gestures by adding gesture modifier in view. Gesture modifier accepts gesture protocol as argument. We can use the default SwiftUI gestures such as drag, tap, magnification, and rotation. We can also add our customized gesture and use it. Number 11. Asynchronous task. Running time consuming networking task on the main thread can block your user interface and ruin the user experience. Here is its concurrency. Swift's Grand Central Dispatch GCD allows background network requests like dispatch queue.global async make network request here. Dispatch queue.main async update UI here. Conclusion. In this video, we tried to cover some top interview questions related to UI. We will discuss other questions in upcoming video. This will definitely help you to prepare for your next interview. Thank you for watching this video. Also comment below if you learn something new here. So friends, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for getting such type informative video related iOS interview. Thank you.